Hey everybody, it's Abandoned Brian here today. I want to try and redo this 1868 farmhouse. Um, the video I did the other day just wasn't very good, so I'm going to try and do it again. If you guys are interested, then please join me. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this white stone up here is the stone that says 1868. Makes me sad knowing this house is going to be gone. So beautiful. Alright, so this would have been the front porch. And you can see it's been a while since this has been trimmed. Would have been your front porch view. Amber, stop. You're running in glass. Coming in the front door here. Stairs going up. I do love that there's a fireplace in every room. Now granted, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's only 8 rooms. All the windows on this side of the house have been busted out. I guess that's why the paint's peeling so much on this side. Would have been looking at the front door coming in there. And then I'm sure this would have been the family room or whatever. And this would have been the rear door going out. I like this, you know, when they built these houses, they had this little window up above the top. And so, you know, they didn't have air conditioning back in the 1860s, so they would open those windows to get a breeze going through the house in the summertime. Pretty neat. So this would have been the first floor bathroom. You have a little closet here. And then this would have been just a half bath. Just have a toilet down here. When they built this building, they didn't have indoor plumbing. I'm sure there was outhouse somewhere. I feel like most women would have loved this kitchen too, because you have this huge, like 20 by 20 kitchen, which every woman wants a big kitchen, and also has this fireplace right here in the corner, which, I don't know, like the best of both worlds. This would have been that, I'm sure, the original paint. Actually looks like lead paint the way it's peeling, that green. It's probably who originally painted it. And that would have been your front porch looking out from, I guess this is a little laundry room I'm sitting in, or standing in, I mean. Got a sink here. And washing machine here. The hedges are actually growing inside the house. been that long. Let's head upstairs. So it kind of comes up to a little platform, and then it goes up a little set of steps this way, and up a little set this way. Let me get a shot of the front door from here. So this would be your upstairs bedrooms. Got your pink. Got your fireplace, which I love. Got these big, huge closets. It even goes all the way to the ceiling. There's even storage up there. It's actually a lot of extra storage space above those closets. And this would be going to the other side. You can see the windows are busted out, just curtains blown in the breeze. And there's your fireplace. It's kind of cool how the fireplaces are further away from the wall. Like downstairs, they're right up against the wall. Upstairs, the fireplace comes way out in the middle of the room and then somehow ends up in the middle of the house again, if that makes sense to you. Probably not a lot of people can follow that. And this would have been the only bathroom with a tub in it anyway. Looks like the toilet up here is gone. So you got all this built-in nice woodwork. You got your mirror there. Your sink. This is the last room. This is the fireplace I like. It's different than the rest. It's got the white brick instead of the red. And, just stands out a little different than the rest. And there's the bird's nest where the bird was living. I don't think Amber's gonna like this, but I'm gonna go up and show you this attic, and she's not gonna be able to go. You can see the stain. Well, it's not stone, I'm sorry, the brick. This is what I mean about that fireplace. See, it was in the center of the room down there, and it comes up and turns. Makes a hard turn to get to the middle. And then I don't know if you can see the one on this side or not, but it's the same way. It's up there and it comes down and takes a hard turn right here. Pretty neat. I guess these were fireplace decorations, I don't know. And this is that little toy sawmill, which I think is really cool. You put a garden hose in there, and the little thing, and comes down, turns the wheel. And then you can see over here, you know, when you turn the wheel, then you would have had a pulley that turns this. That pulley would have turned this. And there's your saw blade. There's one of the pulleys. I'm not going to put it back together, but pretty cool little toy. Pretty cool old fireplace grate. It's kind of rounded. It looks pretty old. Alright, we'll go out and take some pictures of the outside. Oh, we still have the basement to do, so we'll go down and look at the basement real quick. Basement. And it would have had a half basement, I guess. You can see the stone foundation. But this is like probably a 3-foot crawl space. And the stairs going up. Your door going out. I mean, there's some stuff still here, but not much. There's a huge pressure tank for the well there. That's a big one. And then it has the second room in the basement here, but I think it's a half room as well. Oh, that's kind of neat. You can actually see the bedrock right here. Yeah. Yep, see all the bedrock underneath the house? Kind of dug out a little bit. Well, it gets really close up there, but yeah. A lot of old cans up here. Pretty neat. Alright, so that's pretty much the house. We'll go out here and get some shots from the outside of the house. Let's see, over here was the swing set. Not moving today. The dairy barn would have been right here behind this part of the silo, but it's already crushed in. This is that trailer they had set up as a paint booth. I thought that was pretty cool. See the electric panel there. Electric glasses there. And it would have lights all around the side. Not sure where the ventilation was. Hope they had ventilation in here. You can see the milking tubes right there. That's how we know it's a dairy farm. There's the milking tubes right there. You can see the little animal creations. Whoever lived here was very creative. I'm sure they're the ones who made that little sawmill upstairs. You can see the little animal cutouts here. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's a dog. I'm pretty sure this is his little tail and his little ears and his nose. His little feet in the front. Very creative. This would have been the old corn crib, I guess, or old corn barn. I don't know what they call them exactly. We're gonna look in it though. Alright, these are going to be some of the last shots because we're leaving. If you guys like what you see, please hit like. And if you want to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel. Hope I did a better job on the video this time. Still got a little bit to go, so don't quit on me just yet. This is what's left of the dairy barn. It's just all pushed in a pile. I don't think there's been a roof on this for a while, so I will not be stepping out there. Alright, so that's it. This house has been here 152 years. I don't think it's going to make it any longer. Hope this video is better than the last one, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.